guys in. I know it's been a little bit since we've done fillet. So fillet, don't forget you're going to enter a radius. The default for fillet is 0. So if you are pulling your hair out about that, it's because you didn't enter a radius. So I'm going to radius, and this one, remember, is 0.06. So I'm going to do the curves here. So now I have this guy, and the other way you could do this is you could certainly have just done one corner of this. And you kind of heard me talk a little bit about this before. I didn't have to have all of these guys in. Let me just delete them so that you don't get confused. So I could certainly have just done these lines, right? I could do this 0.6 up, I could do this 0.6 over, I could do the 0.3, and I could have just done this section. And then if you do that, you can actually use a lot of this as a mirror, okay? So what I can do is I can just do this one corner, and what I can do is I can mirror it through this guy. So it would mean a little bit of trimming to get those two little chunks gone. But you can see now I have this upper corner. I can mirror this, and it's going to ask me what to mirror. So I want to drag all of that stuff. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to ask me what the mirror plane is. So I could mirror this that way, right? And I want to keep my source object. So I'm going to keep my source object, so I'm going to answer no to this. And then once I have all this, I can go ahead and click this guy. I don't need that anymore. That was just my mirror line. So I could grab all of this stuff, and I can mirror it through the bottom here. So I can get it to look like that too. So, you know, it just depends on how fast, and you guys, I think that some of you are starting to kind of realize that you maybe know more than you know, and some of you are still like very timid. And I'm telling you that if you have the skill, if you know how to copy like the circles that we did on here, if you know how to do 2 of these and then copy them, that's what the tool's for. It's to make it go faster. It's supposed to be less work. You can imagine doing this as an employee somewhere. You're not going to enter these circles in, right? Well, your colleagues are like copy paste. You know, like the efficiency that you get in using some of these tools is what speeds you up as a draftsman. So if you know them, which you do, you may not be confident in them, utilize them. And things like mirror, that's, you know, that's going to save you from drawing all of these and offsetting all these lines to just doing this upper corner, and then, you know, I just mirrored all over. So move, copy, we'll get into array a little bit next week, which is a little different animal. But all those tools, they're there for your use. So don't shy away from them.
Fillet. Can you show me how to do that again?
Yep. So fillet, let me just square one of these so you can see it.